Oh, you sell cake, I cost fat man. Oh, you sell cake, I degrade on one and a body shape, woman. I yourself no shape good. Because everybody when do them body cock out like a chicken, but for your body long, like you have one back.
The things I'm done.
You Miss Tina, let me tell you something. You're making enough trouble on social media already. Let me tell you something. I mean, notice anytime you see nobody come, say, Dana share out Leisha, you run out pan Leisha this morning, but you first that cook and show kitchen pan life. Now, me say, a the little guy named Noel Cunningham, Chef Noel Cunningham, you want to take set pan, come. You not take set pan, none of young people them out here. Dirty, nasty, stinking, stagnant, cold girl, you not take set pan, none of them out here. And me tell you something. Lady V work her money and go buy and open her store and you not carry it down neither. Now you did put up picture with Lady V shop when big old festive tell you say Lady V say about cake and carry out and call up right up and call up a Lady V man and put out all the man phone number. Oh no, you are gonna come talk now if you come make it look like say Lady V trouble you. Lady V do you nothing? Lady V do you not no drunk where you fi come answer about the award nominee and the big deal them. You fi come answer. But no worry, you soon get something for talk about. You talk about the right immigration, me know that to me. Yes, bitch. Yes. You nobody will have brand out here where you come off because they not gonna get stagnant like you. Leave Noel Cunningham alone. You see, if Noel used to chat Dana, you did entertain him. And you did entertain him. If him do it because you love tell lies. It's two things you like to talk about people. Anytime you are a man on social media, when tendency say you're drunk, and then want to go with them say, you know what, you're drunk, you're stagnant, you ball out, say them a look you, and them a chat Dana. Let me tell you something. All Jesus did get chat too. So you did entertain him. When Noel did come to you, come chat, Dana, did you shut him up and run him? No. Liar tell pan the boy. Why did you when you did come out and say I look you? And because you see my brand come, let me tell you something. Noel Cunningham will come out here and style you nicely without one bad word. But the guy have him brand. Just like because just a Lady V open her store with her nice things them in it and her good bag them and her holy pass something them and she a go on, you ready again for come. Do that and beat nobody. I know nobody make you stagnant. You take the people them Thanksgiving order and name off the people them money and name off the kitchen. And when the kitchen fire, you make up judgment upon them and the girl now make no more cake for you. Tina can't tell the people them what happen. You take time and run out back. Move your nasty thinking underprivileged one be a dirty yardie blood clot and bad self and go. You come talk about say Tina, me tell you something, my body me born with it and me love it. You no love where you born with, that's why you have to go teeth the PP loan for buy it. So when you come out, you come talk, you can't, that's why your body shame, that's why me they go tell the woman about the award. So when you go come talk, now if you come talk, say Lady V, you don't your business, not tell a lie for Lady V. Don't tell no lie upon the woman for come out here because you're not tear down Lady V brand, you're not tear down nobody brand out here. The only somebody brand you tear down for me. Because you're brandless and me brandless. They must think that a stagnant like her. Bun me, you say how she do the woman and how she come out and come tear down the woman. Like I saw them stay. I saw them like a serpent you stay. You lad, you see all the life where you long at the people in house and it today. You think me not have a screen record yeah? You hold on. Cause when me attack me send proof you know. You see all the life where you slung at the people them house and a tear down people and a talk about people rape victim, talk about Lady V rape victim data. It a go to your landlord. The poor little young guy, you want take said pan. Because the guy reach further than you work, no well work and Dutch party one day and run him look a joke and people gravitate to him. He never come out, you can't tear down nobody. If you're not disrespect Noel, not disrespect you. Noel think you was somebody like how Dimes and everybody think you was somebody. And then him say you cross it like how poor Chris say you was somebody. Can you run go down there, go interview Chris, and you look at done out radio station. Me say all the one Chris him want to lick in a film neck back to you say both him a come give interview like nobody know you. Nobody know you, America know you more than know say you's a blood clip. Me will go Google Chris. And you come talk about Chris use you for interview. You use Chris. You and she are the crab loss in a Dana battle wall where all Dana shape Dana can't get rid of Udo. Because you and she eat chop pan woman live. And you and she bad man I say more than test me do me live. You don't know you come out on talk about you know how to go. Me don't know if Lorraine did send them go over Chris. So I don't know. I find that very strange. Cause Lorraine had a problem with Chris. Run out. Run come back out here. I hope anything what you get this time you can take. Serpent, no one downstairs is on have drunk blood clad spirit, on have drunk blood clad spirit and serpent bad man. The whole on is a sort of drunk. The whole on have nothing for blood clad though. Come out here, come think you try tear down the people and with brand out here about people. Lady V never touch no brand for you. Lady V never see you. And you now come out here because when you feel say, oh, I know the style, you know. 13 and Lady V a friend. So guess what? I'm go for Lady V. And I go for Lady V. Until you come for Lady V and me, you see. Because Lady V never mix up in your bangarang. Lady V no see you. And you not take your nasty, dirty, stinking self. You cannot enter into Canada because of your criminal record. You not take no set pan Noel Cunningham over there. You not take no set pan nobody else out here. You not taking no set pan nobody out here with them brand drunk. Nobody no stagnant your brand. And when the FBI or whosoever they take you up at airport because they know that you're a known drug mule. That's why them investigate you and check you. It is normal drunk and you get free. That's why you a two things that you not go Jamaica, you know. Cause you say the people them when you send go up workhouse. You're just afraid because you hear it now and you know it there past social media. Three things. You broke number one, but you keep a cake sale and rob the people in their money. And then you're stagnant, so you can't get to get that whole heap of sale because Ashanti now having big mouth like government washed up again for promote the cake for you with Matlock. So you not get the money and you're not save because you can't say you're not save, you know. You can't say you're not save, you don't know one name saving. You don't remember one name rainy day. You know Coke House and wine, that is it. There is no way. You say it's a business woman, you should have at least a 2-bedroom. Myself a co-parent of if I didn't want me can turn one part of my house now one bedroom, can I have one bed around here. You should miss my tent have more space than that. Tear down for me brand, tear down for me brand, tear down, you not try get number for them pick the daddy. You try get number for them picking the daddy. You try to get the number for them picking the daddy. Cause of that you they look. Because me ask you, me tell you, what the blood cleat you come say. Dana spend up her money in a store and call winners and tell them that she a shoplifter. But you take up your thinking mouth and come out. But people do you this and people. If you apologize to your dirty blood clot, who could apologize to you out here? Who could apologize to you out here? Nobody not apologize because I not apologize to your blood clot. Me never tell a lie for you. When me did carry you, go tell the people who you be, me never tell a lie for you. You cuss me and you cut other people. And you're not supposed to sell nobody. People, you're not supposed to buy cake from Tina. Cake make people fat. And Tina have a size with plus size woman, so she not supposed to sell cake. Oh, you sell cake and you cuss fat woman. Oh, you sell cake, I degrade on one and a body shape, woman. I yourself the shape good. Because everybody will do them body cock out like a chicken, but for your body long, like you have one back. Cause all the big body way me I look for me can't see to them because God live it me know me no blind. Cause me no wear glasses. I know me can't see the body, I know me see the titty, me say 1 for 1,000 and me say 1 for 900 like the two that are the right price pay for the silicone them in there. Cause a silicone a fluid you fling cause you not have BBL money. And worse when a thief in money, God says see they know you thief the money. I remember me no report you yet to the PP loan people them. Me I tell you when me I do you know that's when you know you not blame nobody else cause I'm me I do you. And you sit down there and ball and talk about me have somebody in New York. You never have somebody at Carousel too. So I don't know if me have somebody in New York. Everybody got somebody. But only thing me know is when me I do with you. When me I do with you. Be I do you something. I am doing you very serious things. Serious thing like the business deal. You now have no brand out here. Yes, I always about the people that take you so know your bread and butter gone. And you want to come blame it and talk about a Lady V. Lady V no mash no business for you. Lady V don't even know nothing that a thing Lady V don't even know. Cause poor Lady V hear about award and Lady V think that woman was the lady Miss Princess. The poor Lady V don't know say there's another award show in Canada. Poor Lady V don't know nothing. Don't tell no lie on a woman. At two, when me I do my business that time it was so good because Lady V that shopping so me get my way for do my things. Nobody don't do nothing but me. Me are the only somebody rassy up out here. I mean not tap rassy up. So get up your dirty nasty stinking dirty set of friend them we want to take set by you. And then I like you and nothing. I'm tell you something about them. Then just want use your content for play. For them fooling at them pocket. Them don't like you. Likewise me not like you neither. Me not like you. Me not like you. Me never like see yourself. Words when time I see you come and come play victim and I come talk because to God and to man so you know say are you trouble Lady V. You know say are you trouble the man. I'm for sure you how you mix up. If Noel are you what did you say? We don't want to hear nothing. I still love Noel see but I still a share out Noel. Because you see Tina I know you know. You see the way you wicked and go on, anybody will start for you. Yeah, so if you say something to Noel and Noel say back something to you, as long as it never the plan with you for take down a life, it is all good with me. I still I go share about him, I still I go support him. Look how nasty, stinking, underprivileged scavenger, dirty suckle Tina. Move your nasty, dirty self. You go like say, and nobody make you have no throat back. Who did tell if you go lick out people about the wall in a dance? Who did tell us if you go take up money and mine, man, when man fuck your pa hungry belly? When the man fuck your pa hungry belly, you dey pa phone a ball like your blood clip, mama dead. I doubt if you have no more eye water, but you ball for man. And a ball with them not serious blood clip balling to death balling, death balling. And a ball for the woman cocky. Where the woman married to husband and sign for her cocky. And you want thief the woman cocky, you two blood clot thief. That's all you do walk and thief and smuggle drugs that fine and mash up your life. I make them carry a god dance and fuck you behind jukebox in a night cool. I make you whole before blood clot young and your nerves wreck and you want come make it look like see nobody pass social media make you not make it. See him when you see the little girl after the pretty little girl troubles a black for see if he can get to her husband. You take on the little girl and got the girl workplace. Go make the girl lose her work. You wicked, you all them something that you pay back for now. You frigga you see how me make you lose for your work them do. You frigga you. Nobody could salt your past. You watching me and you out here. You watching me and you out here, dirty Tina. You just come out. You can't talk by your platform. You know, come for call you dog, you know. I mean, come for run you after them, but you're not taking set pan the blogger them out here. You're not take set pan the young people them out here with them brand full time now for your stop. That a stop. You're not ride the people them out here with them brand. Me and your dirty ass out here. Me and you. You hear nasty girl? Me and you can tell you come just come off for something, just go down in my bag and come up. I draw, I have a bag put down for you, I have my black book, I just draw from my black book and read your rights. And in the meantime, me I look for who me I look for. Me I work on, me start work on CJ money already. This is a picture I want with him. And me I go get it. Me start work on CJ already. I remember me have the clip. The clip me have, I know me have the clip in my phone for send go give the people. My CJ I tell us them want help. For me write to people and tell them, say, because you know why your son forget help because you want continue calling the money and give the people in the receipt, the place on the kitchen. Me know me I do my thing with you, Tina. Oh, me I do my thing nice with you. Me I go in very good. That means to say, all when they don't want to investigate, them have to go investigate. Remember, you have to rent the kitchen, you know, plus me have video where you make cake in your yard, you know. Plus me have your pan live, I say you have cake for 600, you know. Plus members say you collect winter 450 for curly cake, you know. So the money where you make and you living at the studio with at the key right now, so money I make, you know. So me I gonna make the government know say you are a scammer. You are a scammer. Remember, no, Tina? Me and your Tina out here. I go and make you pay back some money. Me say I go and watching me and you think me no. Me sitting down right here. I say what I going to do with you? You sitting here. When I done with you, yourself go check yourself into a mental institution. Me not say suicide, you know, because to say all like you no bother dead because you can't bury. The government have to go bury you and no bother dead. You're not dead. Turn right here. You need to live for suffer. You Tina, you need to live. You need to live for suffer. So you're not trying to bother dead. But me know say me I come at you, member 400 winter gear and 50 for the tip for the 30. You see a 30 pound water cake. Marco, I say you make cake for 600 and the cake them you sell on the web when I done with you. I remember say me know the scamming with the PayPal where you scam where you can't get PayPal. Remember mat like have a receipt. Me have receipt in there where people send you for cake and message and something, you know, Tina. So Marian Walters McLeod, you can't say I know you. So you may make sure give your defense because me they come hard. Yes, like when me back to award nomination where you can nominate you me back to a business deal. You see like how me back to that the way. As so me I come off for the money. Remember me I come off for the money. Me I come off for the money. Me I come off for the money. Me have you. I have your Tina. I have you. You will not tear down nobody, brother. I'm going to show you. I go and show you how it can go. Go along at the station now. Tina, me no want come a foreign, you know. Cause me hear say you go report me, Tina. Me no want come a foreign. Me no want come. Me live on one island. Me not fi come in the United States of America. Me not nothing in there. Me embassy don't know me. Me embassy don't know me. Tina, me no have to come over there. Below have to come so you can go along and report me how you want. My country where me living here, me can go 12 European country and I can go ABC, me can go St. Martin, me can go Aruba, me can go Station, me can go St. Eustace, me can go Bonaire 5. So if me have 17 country, Europe, me have all of Newton, I can go the whole of them there. Me no they have to come in America. Me no have to come over there. So you can go along go report me. You can go along go report me and make me tell you something. Me no receive me one life, piece of life, you trambos is life, yeah. So me not come through no bother. So you can go along go report me. Me not have to come. But what me can do, yeah, you can't stop me from do it. They have all right to be not tell no lie by you. That's why me send video clips. That's why the more video where you do, it's better for me. But me know me I frig you up. I'm going to tell you me not done with you. I am not done. I see like how you want to come off for the people them with them brand because you mean say for your brand, you're not on a brand. I know them take your brand. Me and Lady V a friend. Lady V never said me if you do nothing. Lady V never know when me I do nothing. Lady V not even know nothing because Lady V all along Lady V think I'm Miss Princess. All in a Lady V head is Miss Princess with the award. Lady V never know how nothing go. Me and your backside out here now, sister what, Tina? Tina, me and you, when I done with you, you see? When I done with your sin, I will be weeping and mourning and me not upon the ears. And no dirty nasty stinking black out. No can come out town, no can chat me and look proud. No. One of you do a save Tina, tell Tina how to move. Save Tina because to say, start look at how see Tina because when that the landlord number they reach that for me and it'll reach very soon. When the landlord number reach that for me and I make that call, them bound for getting a notice. Tina go block me from come. Tina says she can't come. Tina is going to report me about Tina is going. I don't care what you want to do. She's going to report me. I think me Tina report me. Tina do everything. She's reporting me. Thank you very much. Tina is reporting me, but two Tina reports me. I don't have to go, but I know I am going after Tina. Tina is too wicked. Why you see young people surviving? You suck out every blood. You suck because she knows she cannot blame Chris and Dana no more because she knows she should not tell lie. Now she a go on Leisha. She a go on Noel young people. We big people for leave the young people on the internet. Actually, we should have a senior citizen. So, you Tina, you should have look after you. You see me tell you? Your workless, you take up your father. Your father take you enough for your 14-year-old enough. Pantapite enough. Show no Tina stay. Tina wicked enough. Tina has said God is going to give her a beating. You know what said Tina left her Tina father file for Tina, you know. A long time Tina sneaky, you know. Tina go up with a pregnant to the man, you know. Remember, you know, on the filing, you know, no say him a send for pregnant, he say him send for calf. He never say him send for pregnant cow. So all along she put the man in a problem that the man have to put the daughter in her name, right? That have to put the man in have to put the daughter in her name. And her father try with her. She never want to go to school. She want to catch man and deal drugs. The poor old man take care of her, pity them, help her, all her baby shower when she done a baby father. The man go with her, represent her, everything, you know. Man never have a problem for that with Tina, you know. As soon as the man work and overwork and get old, Tina take up the man, have the man pan a couch, go out and leave the man. Me look pan live and see Tina open a tin of mackerel and shake it out in the one plate without look onion, look nothing without at it up. Give the man the cool mackerel pan alive, give it to her father. Then Tina take up the man, you know, and carry the man go in our arms house. The only Tina used to go, they got thief out the man. Tina thief all the man burial money. The poor man after postpone him death. Mr. Death and the man do like oh me the over Tina look fear for come out for come answer what is going on with the award show everything, you know. So Tina not coming up. Tina not coming. Tina own the whole world. Tina own the internet. You can't tell me that Tina own the place. Tina is the biggest thing out here. Tina own the place. It's the woman so I can't put my foot in America because she report me. So I can't go down with me. We stay in my European Dutch island. I not fit but me I deal with she. So when Tina now you know, show your Tina workless. Tina take up the man carry the man got arms house, right? Tina only Thanksgiving, Tina drive the man around, and thief up the man burial money and don't go look for the father. Don't go do nothing. Tina is a wicked girl. I say Tina own mama. Tina mother the poor lady want that little tea business that she can buy a little callaloo and chicken back. Send over her tea, them come get Tina. Tina sell off the woman tea. and take the woman money. Tina, you can thief from your come here, Tina. If you want to thief, for sure you say for your prettiness and for your shapeness, not put you away. You definitely thief for your mama and your papa. Then Tina, you couldn't go rob two man. And you say you're pretty. Tina, you couldn't go rob two man, and you should not thief and help your mama and your papa. You're a wicked girl. The Bible says if honor your father, your mother, they never say if put your hand in them pocket. Honor, him never say if hand them to take out their money. You damn fool and damn thief, yo. You're a thief and a crackhead. Tina, you are a crackhead and you're a drunk. So me Tina, because I say, the way you're wicked, you take the money for you and buy one nice piece in the Dollar Tree store. You could have go buy one piece of red or green tablecloth and put on the piece of ugly table. You could have make CJ sanit off and you paint the tie. You take a watch up in a Chris and down a batty hole. You could have paint the table vernice. You know the little stain there. We stain the table and make it look good. And go in at the Dollar Tree store, Tina, and buy $1 piece of curtain or $2. One red one and one green one at Christmas. I mix it up, the red and the green, and look, you know, I put it on the table. You take the money by wine. So that's an alcoholic and a crackhead behavior. I remember say, alright, me have the come with your liar. You are a cokehead. You are though, you can't buy coke crack, cause you're wacky. You are a crackhead. You come out to the crack residue in your nose, nurse's seat. When me post up the picture and say a bogo, nurses, license RNLP or LP, and none of CNA call me. Big nurse call me and then no. And then say that's coke residue in your nose. You crack out the money. That's what you do, Tina. You live on the government. Consume it, Tina, consume it. CJ live on the government where you don't want CJ for work and nothing. For you can have somewhere for stay in that student. That's a prison mentality and a crack mentality. That's how you live. Go and fix your dirty life before you come out there and want to address people. I want to tear down young people like Leisha and Noel where you still want to make it. That's what you need to do, Tina. You're a nasty, dirty, non-ambitious, big, stinking, dirty turtle who choose to look past surviving and striving and ambitious people. You want to take a stagnant self and draw down the young people and leave the people them alone. Noel, all the way over Canada, him not troubling you. Leisha all the way although she's in America, you're not cooking. Leisha, can you bake? I'm going to call Leisha and find out if Leisha can bake, and I'm going to make Leisha start bake. I'm going to, since you want something, I'm going to encourage Leisha to bake. Yes. Me sure know that Miss Lothian won't have a problem with that because Leisha have our customer them, Miss Lothian. I'm going to encourage Leisha to bake. I'm going to tell her if you cannot bake, do an online baking class. I'm going to make Leisha, since you have a problem, this is how I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to make Leisha start to bake, and everything we have seen Noel Cunningham do, I'm going to post it out. I'm going to make it my point of duty. If I see Noel Cunningham crack a joke, I share him out. I'm going to make you see these young people. You're too bad mind. You waste out your life. When you did a carry drugs, poor Noel was going to school, maybe having a hard life back home, figure catering school, and Leisha did a sell her soap and I think them a struggle down at Jamaica. You choose to go take your underneath and turn it into a judgment bag, and they make you stagnant. Leave the people them alone. Leave long people alone. Missy KC, you say KC I open our studio with some old furniture and some old and some new. I open up pay for them because she give the money and you go take it on credit card. Them bail if I go come take out the client them out of it. And nobody now trouble KC shop. Nobody now go after KC. Nobody now come out here come say There's a case later. Nobody not trouble your daughter business where you show. So why you try tear down Noel and Alicia one? Leave the people them alone. If you want, can not make me go advertise the case later. No make me go advertise the case later. Because the first thing I'm going to tell the people them say case later man, I mean I tell no lie, is a drug addict, a crackhead. So be careful when time then go they have cream in their head, chemical in their head, the man barging they want money for a case later and they have to run. Mind me. Tina, you sure you want me and you fi have it out? Remember me no have any brand. I mean I have nobody to report to. Nobody me not have to report to. Until further notice me go on Tina. But I shall return. Just bring it on. But remember, me and you. Me and your backside out here. People no pray and go on the bed. Thank you very much for this time. Have a blessed night. May God bless you now. But me gone. But me not forget Tina me coming back. Anyhow me have to come back, me come back. Bless upon yourself.